Happy Halloween! Today we have a Halloween themed art project for you to do. And so you are going to need some things that I sent home in your package, and you're also going to need one other thing. So I sent home some paper for you. You have a piece of orange paper, a piece of black paper, and a piece of green paper. And you're also going to need, I guess, two other things. A piece of white paper and a glue stick. So here we go. Okay, so today you are going to make a torn paper jack-o'-lantern. So job number one is to tear up your orange piece of paper into smaller pieces. Now you don't want anything that's too tiny because that would be really hard to work with and a lot of gluing. So pieces about maybe a little bit bigger than the size of your thumb. That would be about perfect. So then what you're going to do is you are going to start by gluing these into the shape of a jack-o'-lantern. So maybe I'm going to just draw the shape of a pumpkin on my paper, kind of like that. Then I know kind of where to glue my pieces, and this doesn't need to be perfect. My pieces don't need to line up perfectly into that. They can go a little bit over the lines. All right. So I'm going to keep gluing my orange paper into the shape of my pumpkin, kind of like this. Now you can see I'm putting out my torn edges because I kind of want it to have that torn paper look to it. I'm going to do my outline first, and then I'll probably go back and fill in the middle. All right, so I'm going to continue to do this, and I will see you soon. I'll be back when this is done. All right, so I have filled my pumpkin in, and now I'm going to take my green piece of paper and tear up a little piece for a stem. All right, maybe like that. Perfect. Okay, so I'll put some glue on it. And there's my stem. Now, I'm going to take my black piece and I'm going to tear off some pieces to make the face for my jack-o'-lantern. So, maybe I can try to do some shapes if I wanted to, or maybe I'm just going to tear much smaller pieces. All right, so I tried to do a little triangle there for an eye. Kind of like that. And then maybe I'll try to do another triangle for the other eye. Well, those ones are definitely not the same size, but that's okay. That will make my jack-o'-lantern unique. There we go. And then maybe I will try to, maybe I'll just tear like a few pieces and I'll kind of put them together for his mouth. Maybe you want to take your time and like try to tear out an actual shape of a mouth. And maybe I will, put this one this way so that one kind of looks like a tooth or something. And like that. Glue this one down. All right. And now I even have enough left over. I could probably make a second jack-o'-lantern. I've got lots of paper left. So if you want to make maybe a little family of jack-o'-lanterns, go for it. All right, there we go. That's my art project today. So you've made a torn paper jack-o'-lantern. Make sure to take a picture of it and post it to Class Dojo so I can see it. Happy Halloween!